Hiya, how you doing? This is where I'm at.
Okay, he's taking a photo and then taking a change.
So I can request that?
Yep.
Excuse me? Did you take a picture of me then?
No, taking a picture of the sky on public land.
Well, I can request a copy of that.
I'm not requesting I'm taking a picture of you, I'm taking up there. I can ask you the same request of your...
No, I'm filming.
No, you're filming.
Yeah.
Right.
You can't request any of this. You can't request any of this, but you're breaking GDPR, aren't you?
I'm not requesting anything. I'm not requesting, I'm just simply taking a picture of the sky.
Why would you do that?
Well, why did you just video me?
Because he came over to my friend because he's flying a drone.
Yeah, again.
Right.
You have all the right, you're on public land.
Yeah.
We're not against that.
So why have you come over?
Because we just want to ascertain what the situation is with the drone. I've just come over, I've just come back from the gate.
It's allowed to be flown.
It's allowed to be flown, but it's a grey area, isn't it?
What do you mean?
Because you're going over a private property, over our private property land without our permission.
So is that illegal?
It's not.
Do we need permission?
It's not illegal. You need
Right.
permission to fly over a thing. It comes after a civil bylaw. So that's after the civil law. It's not a criminal law.
I know.
So
Yeah.
obviously, like I said, you're all your right to do what you need to do.
Yeah.
But obviously, we're just concerned because you're coming over our private property. It's obviously we just want to ascertain what's going on, if it's what it's used for. That's all it is.
Bit of fun. We're having fun. That's
Yeah,
why I've been
exactly.
filming around,
Yeah,
just
exactly.
for like
I've been respectful.
my own interest.
I
Yeah, I know you have. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And I asked you if I could go to the studio and
Yeah,
just
that's what I mean. You
show
asked-
people, you know, things
you
like
asked-
that. But
you asked me if
shouldn't your badge be on show?
So, well, I've got my badge on.
Yeah, but it should be on show the other way around.
I asked you, who are
Yes,
you?
it does, and you know that.
But hang on.
I'm not going to argue with you today.
All I'm saying is, you come over to us and took pictures of
Yeah,
us.
like I said, there's no issue.
Can
I'm
I
not
just
having
ask you?
any-
Can I just ask you a quick question, please? Okay. I know that he just came over and actually asked you. Now, you went like this. You took a photo of me, yes?
No, take a picture up, Sky.
You took a picture of the sky.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then what I'll actually ask you, because unless you're actually willing to show it, okay, and you're actually at work, I will.
So he has
actually
just
request
turned
it
his
under
badge around.
GDPR,
Okay, can I request yours?
No, you
okay?
can't. This is
you
private.
Work for a company. This is private.
Private.
This is my
You're,
private.
no, it makes no difference, and that makes it even worse that you shouldn't be using your own phone while you're actually at work. Okay, do you actually know GDPR laws?
Right, they're not going to bother. Right, so there you heard it, guys. He rang. Look at that background there. And he took the picture from just about where that where the path ends there. And he reckons he was taking a picture of the sky, and he did say, "I'm taking a picture of the sky on that public land over there," which was a ridiculous answer. Anyway, it looks like we're going to pack up now. The police would have been here by now. There's no doubt about that whatsoever. He was polite. The other guy did turn his badge around after I mentioned that to him, and they just simply walked off. And no, he can't request a copy of this film. So I'll leave you with that shot, guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, thanks for all your support. Thanks for your patience. I know I've had a break, but I'll be back soon. So will the live stream. I'm already back with the filming, but the live streams will be back soon. Okay, massive respect, much love. See you on the next one.